guys, Ridaz here. Today we're going to make mutton rogan josh. It's a Kashmiri dish. For this, the spices what we need is jaggery, mace, cinnamon sticks, green cardamom, and cumin seeds, and saffron. So also we need chili powder, not any chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder. That will give nice red color. Ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of pencil powder, and we need hing, salt, and dashiki. Meat. This is a nice lamb meat. All this meat of more only that the strands of meat. And take all the pieces or look like strands and let pieces get cooked like this with the bone on. The gravy becomes nice and very flavorful. So let's start mutton rogan josh. So now I'm going to blend cumin seeds, green cardamom, cinnamon sticks, and jaggery mace, but not saffron. Now lemon powder. Now I'm going to make a masala of hing powder, Kashmiri chili powder, ginger powder, and fennel seed powder. Now add water and mix it into a watering paste. Now see how red is it? Poof! Now the pan is hot. Now I can put dashiki.
Honey.
Meat. It is a nice lamb meat. All this meat have more nully than the shanks of a meat. And take all the pieces will look like shanks and let pieces get cooked like this with the bone on. The gravy becomes nice and very flavorful. Now the meat is heated and now it's taken nicely, slightly brown. This is the masala we already made. Now you can mix the saffron. Now mix the salt. A lot of water to cover the meat. And put on the lid and cook for 35 minutes. The meat is half cooked. Now it's time to put the blended spices. Mix well. Cook for 15 minutes, then it's done. Ta-da! This is a mutton rogan josh. Oh, I try to cook every day. My mama, she never cooks. Hey, it's so hot. You need to wait. Smells good. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Have a great day.